Ready, Your Honor.
Perfect.
So yes, stand up.
Please.
Calling 194357FY, State of Michigan versus William Oliver Wood. Your appearances, please.
Your Honor, for the record, Jeffrey Bowditch, 45367, appearing on behalf of and with Mr. Wood. Your Honor, today is a date and time set for arraignment in this matter. We would waive formal reading, stand mute, ask the court to respectfully enter a not guilty plea on Mr. Wood's behalf.
Thank you, Mr. Bowditch. And would you state your name for me, please, young man in the blue shorts?
William Wood.
Thank you. Have you been able to hear the comments made by Mr. Bowditch this morning?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, you have an absolute right to have a preliminary exam in this matter. You have a right to have an attorney represent you during questioning and in these proceedings. Mr. Bowditch is here with you this morning. There's a petition in order for a court-appointed attorney on the front of your file. I am signing that for purposes of you having counsel going forward. You have a right to be considered for pretrial release. There's a bond recommendation in the file from Van Buren Township requesting bond in the amount of $10,000, 10%. Mr. Bowditch, what are your comments as to bond?
Well, Your Honor, Mr. Wood is a 36-year-old individual. He does have a past. He does have a history. His charge indicates a habitual offender, but he's had nothing since his charge in 2019. He resides at 16335 Barberry in Southgate. He's been there about a year. He's been on Social Security for the last 10 years for some mental health issues. He is prescribed medication. He is on his medication. He's not on probation. He's not on parole anywhere. And he just finished 45 days in the Southgate jail, which ends his issues with Southgate. Your Honor, I was hoping because of his length of incarceration, even though it had nothing to do with our court, that the court may consider a personal bond in this matter.
Respectfully, Mr. Bowditch, the court will not release Mr. Wood on a personal bond. He has a history of failing to appear in this court for its matters. For that reason, his bond is going to be set at $5,000, 10%.
Thank you, Your Honor.
His next appearance date will be the probable cause conference on March 24th, 2021 at 8:30 a.m. That will be with Judge Green.
March 24th, Your Honor?
Yes,
Thank you.
at 8:30 a.m. with Judge Green. Anything else for the felony case, Mr. Bowditch?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Wood also has 20BL00219 B and C. Your misdemeanors out of Belleville, where it's alleged that on July 21st, 2020, he drove while his license was suspended, revoked, or denied, and additionally drove with no insurance under the insurance code. He had not previously been arraigned on these matters. Mr. Bowditch, are you prepared to go forward with the arraignment in these matters this morning?
Yes, Your Honor. We would waive formal reading, stand mute, ask the court to respectfully enter a not guilty plea.
I will do that. Set bond in this matter at $3,000 personal.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And indicate that the next appearance date for the Belleville matters will be pre-trial on May 20th, 2021 at 10:20 a.m. Those matters will
May
be
20th,
scheduled
Your Honor. My apologies.
May 20, 2021 at 10:20 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And those matters will be back with me
Maybe in person.
For right now, I think we're still calling it Zoom, but we shall see what happens in the next 2 months. There was another unarraigned matter that was 20BL00220SM.
What?
There was a charge of operating an unregistered vehicle.
Once again, Your Honor, we would wait for a re-standing.
We'll keep those matters all the same, 3,000 personal with a return date of May 20, 2021 at 10:20 a.m. Again, back with me. The only other remaining matters are a civil infraction from the July 21st, 2020 date, the careless driving. That matter, there's a total of $408 due and owing. And there's a 2016 case, 164893, where there's $1,364 due. Mr. Wood, in those last two matters, as soon as you're able, you need to report to our collections department and make effort either to resume your payments or to establish a payment plan.
Yes, ma'am.
Anything else this morning, Mr. Bowditch?
Nothing from me, Your Honor.
Anything else from Van Buren?
No, ma'am.
Thank you so much, everyone. Have a good day.
Thank
as
you, Your
well.
Honor.
Bye-bye.